What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play Don't Press the Buttons. Okay, new round is already starting. Okay. Bombs are flying from the sky. Push them away. Okay, push them away. We have 23 seconds left until this match is over. Alright. I should probably go like this. Oh, someone's there. Push that away. I'll get this side. Ooh, okay, that just... See, this is why. There's so much bombs to go. Guys, hurry. Yes, I survived. I got 10 coins. Let's look at the show. How much do I have? I have 120 coins. Who remembers this song? Oh no. Sorry, Catboy. Either way, your name is Catboy. I am not a friend anymore. I'm sorry. Okay. Remember what cup the coin is. Okay. Let's get focusing here. That is the simplest one ever. It is the right one. If you get this one right, you have to subscribe. If I get this right, everyone has to subscribe. Let's see. See? Easy. I think everybody should have gotten that. Nice catch. Alright, you chose the correct one. Plus 10 coins. Can I move? Hello? Oh, hello guys. Are you just stuck here? Okay. I just resetted. Oh, internet. Hold up, I have a Bleacher Report. Okay, let's reconnect real quick. Alright. We're in a new server because I disconnected. I still get my 10 coins. And that was so hard. Okay, let's play. Get on the right. Hold up. I didn't even get it. Never mind. Get them. Okay, guess we'll start falling from above. Catch them and place them on the correct spot. Okay. I have a blue gift. Let's put it right here. Alright, now I see a green one. Let's jump to get that one. This is easy so far. Got this one. Nope, wrong spot. I got 3. Jump. I jumped so high. No! It's very hard to control. I'm probably gonna lose this round. I already have 3 wrong. If you're colorblind, this is not the game for you. Oh yes, 2 yellows. Oh, a 3rd yellow. That's a 4th yellow. This is what I want every single time. A 5th yellow. Okay, I'm just getting lucky. Okay, a red. Ooh, another yellow. Dang it. I got 12. Okay, I at least have to be second. Okay. Stranded, find logs and make a bridge and cross over. Okay, so we need to find those plants. I think we already have enough. No, we have a lot more. This is a log, collect. Okay, I have a log. I'm gonna go get it from here. I'm gonna go first person. Should we try first person? No, I don't want to try first person. Plus 1 coin, okay. Ooh, it's another log. Let's get that one. Let's collect. Let's bring it. You gotta go to it. Nice. I think you just need a couple more. Make sure you guys don't... Oh, you can't fall? That's actually really nice. Okay, someone needs to get the other one. You have to get the lesson. Unless if you get just parkour here. I think you can. The bridge has been built. The adventure continues. Wait. The bomb's going. Guys, I think that might be the next one. What time is it? 2:24. Right now. Okay. A sword fight. Oh no. You're dead. Bro's going after me. Bro's going after me. Goodbye. What? I got you. Most rigged game ever. I'll bucket all of. Okay, this is gonna be the last round, guys.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
That was quick. Lava's rising. Hurry, go to the top. I don't like parkour. This is not. Oh my gosh, I am scared. I did not see that platform. Let's climb. Bro, it's so high up. I'm done.